Good morning, class 10th students. Today we will take short story writing, how we can write it. First, you should know what is short story. The short story became popular in the last century and is still popular. It does not take much of time to read. A story, as we all know, relates an important incident that arouses curiosity and suspense. If a story is effective, it keeps the suspense till the end and surprises us by a sudden, unexpected turn towards the end. Important aspect of a story. First is incident, second is plot, third is setting, fourth is characters, fifth is dialogue. Incidents. A story tells us some happening that is the result of some other happening and so leads to some interesting unexpected happening. The incident can be normal, but it must strike us as something novel. Plot. A story has a well-defined plot. In simple terms, is the interlinking of various parts in a logical framework. It provides a specific direction to the narrative. Good plot has a proper beginning, a middle, and an end. Some stories begin in the middle and even from the end and shift the sequence from the present to the past and then to future. Setting. The story has a definite setting, which means it is set in a place and a time which either we know or can imagine about. Characters. The short story can have only a few character persons like you and me, and creatures or animals that behave like humans. It is important for a story to present characters which interest us. Dialogues is a story make it in a story make it interesting. They add human element to it. Through dialogue we can guess what kind of person is the speaker or the person he or she talking about. Now, kinds of stories. Kinds of stories. Realistic stories, fables, supernatural stories, detective stories. Realistic stories. These stories have realistic characters, recognizing setting, even the action is quite normal. It is the novelty of the incident or unexpected turn that keeps our interest in the story. Fables. Fables are stories which are written to convey some moral. In many fables, animals talk and act like human beings. Animal stories or beast fables impart moral in a very simple, direct way. Supernatural stories. These stories are often about fairies, ghosts, etc. They are set in imaginary and remote places. In each such story, the supernatural being behaves like any one of us, even though he is shown to have extraordinary powers. Detective stories are often about crimes and murders. The detective in such a story is the central character. The writer keeps the suspense till the end. Now, guidelines for writing a story. Read the given clue, outline carefully, think about the possible plot, think about the character, make your own detailed outline if possible. Begin your story as instructed. The beginning should be brief and engaging. Develop the story step by step. Dialogue should be added to make the story realistic and interesting. And the story on a note of surprise. Provide a suitable title to your story. In short, we can say some important tips. Be brief and precise. Don't write long, unwieldy sentences. Use simple, exact, and effective words. Next point is check your spellings and punctuation mark. which are comma, full stop, capital letter, etc. After that, revision, as you know, most important part. So revise your story to see if it is interesting. Next, don't exceed the prescribed limit of words. Thank you, students.